limiting the number of strokes we use to create an image. At times, it's a great idea to see how few strokes we can use to actually express an idea. Choose one of my favorite images, my little tree, down on Higgins Beach in Maine, and I become familiar with this particular iteration of this tree. I have taken so many pictures from angles of this tree, and each one's a little bit different. I want to familiarize myself with the shapes and the forms from this particular angle. Perhaps exaggerate them a little bit. There's going to be a sun up in here, and I think I will include some of the fence. There's a fence in the distance, and there's a fence close by. I have one small sheet of paper left. Let's see what I can do with this. But I'm doing this. This is a little challenge, and it's kind of for fun. So what exactly is going on here? What is the deeper explanation? What's the teaching aspect? Just what am I saying? I have a great group, and you can join my atelier level to get the videos and the sheets of explanation, or the wonderful matrice level, which has all of that. Plus, we meet once a month, we critique, talk about each other's art, ask questions, explore new venues, all sorts of things. Please consider joining my Patreon.